We are going to talk about the artist formerly known as Facebook or Meta now, because Mark Zuckerberg is allegedly an android and wants somewhere to finally get some rest. No, I'm kidding, but we are going to talk about Meta in this video as Meta pushes into the metaverse and is starting to make a few of their large shareholders angry. In fact, some of them are starting to write letters. So let's jump over. Let's talk about this letter that the chair of Altimeter Capital has written directly to Meta and Mark Zuckerberg. And then we'll talk about the charts and how Meta's doing today, as well as year to date, because it is not a pretty picture overall for Meta. And they are spending a ton of money on the metaverse right now. And that is making some people not so happy. But let's jump over and talk about this letter that was written by the chair of Altimeter Capital. Altimeter Capital Chair and CEO Brad Gerstner said in an open letter to Meta and Mark Zuckerberg, look, you have too many employees and you are moving too slowly to retain the confidence of investors. The Meta investor recommended a plan to get the company's mojo back, including reducing headcount expenses by 20%, and limiting the company's pricey investments in metaverse technology, specifically VR software and hardware, to no more than $5 billion per year. Now, Mr. Brad, I'm not sure this is going to work because Facebook just changed their name to Meta. I think they went all in on the metaverse, man, because they changed their damn name. So I'm not sure you're going to get through to them and tell them to spend less on the metaverse. Maybe, but you're asking them to cut that budget in half, which I don't think is going to happen anytime soon, because right now they're spending at least $10 billion a year on metaverse tech right now. So I don't think they're going to be spending only $5 billion anytime soon. They do have quite a bit of cash on hand, but they may lay off more employees. They've already done that this year. Maybe they'll lay off 20% more of their workforce. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you think that Facebook should lay off a fifth of their employees, as well as, slice the budget for the metaverse. I want to hear from you. Now, at the end of the second quarter this year, Altimeter held about 2 million shares of Meta. Do the math on that. That's quite a bit of money that they have tied up in this company. So they do have a large stake to try to guide Meta/Facebook in the right way. Let me know if you think it's going to work at all. I want to hear from you. Do you think that Meta, Facebook needs to change what they're doing right now to stay relevant? Let me know. I want to hear from you. They are a behemoth in the space, so I think they can maybe do whatever the heck they want for a while, but I could be wrong. Let's jump over and take a peek at the charts, see how Meta is doing today, as well as year to date. And at the end of this video, I want you to think about whether or not you think it's time to invest in this company or not. But without further ado, let's jump over and take a peek at the charts. Meta Platforms trading under the ticker symbol META is up just over 1% today. The broader market is up as well. But look at that year-to-date range, guys. Year-to-date, the stock is down over 61%. If we jump over and take a peek at what the analysts think about Facebook Meta right now, Meta is a moderate buy with 21 buy ratings, 5 hold ratings, and 1 sell, with an average upside of over 54%. So that's some big upside for Meta. Let me know if you agree. I want to hear from you down in the comments. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. Let me know what you think about this news. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.